been cancelled, postponed, delayed. We've had the spectre of a global pandemic, but MACH is back. James, thank you for joining us. When did we last see you?
So MACH was last on in 2018, 4 years ago.
4 years, it's flown by, but MACH 2022, first of all, people don't know, when is it?
So it's the 4th to the 8th of April.
And where is it?
At the NEC in Birmingham.
I'm sure they all will know that, but just to confirm. And in the back of everybody's mind, still, just to cover off, COVID restrictions, are there any?
So we've got no additional restrictions. We're following national guidelines, but it will be just as normal.
As normal, absolutely brilliant. Do you need to get registered?
Yes, so best way of doing that is you go to the MACH exhibition website, machexhibition.com.
Perfect timing just there.
Look at that, perfect. And then visitor registration's at the top of that page. You can pre-register and then you will just be able to walk straight into the show when you get there.
Brilliant. And I would recommend pre-registering because it's such a simple process. It really is.
It's really quick.
Absolutely. Now, it's been 4 years. I'm assuming things have moved on a bit. What am I going to see?
So it's been really exciting. I mean, we had people that were looking to launch new technology at 2020. That's even been developed since then. So I think the gap between shows, I mean, this is the first time our community has come together in 4 years. You know, the National Engineering and Manufacturing Show. We have got all sorts of things through there. I mean, we've got all of the traditional things you'd expect to see at MACH, digitisation throughout the show, as we've moved through that in the last 4 years, and things like a lot more additive manufacturing in terms of metal-based.
Okay, so you've got your software, your tooling, your digitisation, so Industry 4.0. Are we going to see live cutting?
We are indeed, yes. We're one of the few shows where people actually turn up and live demo. I mean, there's a lot of swarf taken out each evening. But yeah, it's one of those shows where you can see everything under power. And funny you mentioned tooling there. We've got a tooling clinic this year,
right,
which is the first time we've had that. So it's in partnership with the AMRC. People can go along with any problems they've got looking for solutions. They'll talk about the types of tooling you need. And then obviously you can visit the rest of the show and see companies there providing that.
Absolutely. And a great example, I was chatting to someone the other day in terms of just in tooling. Mm-hmm. He said if you're using tooling from 3 years ago, it's out of date. Things have moved on that much. So you really, really need to get yourselves there. But also, I want a bit of education.
Yeah, so we've got a great seminar programme as well that's lined up throughout the week, covering everything from green manufacturing and decarbonisation. We've got people like Jürgen Meyer. We've got an update from Lloyd's on the latest economic updates. We have got...
Don't list them all. Go to the website and have a look and get yourself booked on those.
Exactly, yeah. You can pre-book for those as well and favourite those on the website.
Excellent. Anything else we need to cover?
So just that it's going to be a great 5 days. It's really important for people to come along and make sure you spend enough time there because there's a lot to get around.
Really, really looking forward to it. Really, really excited. Great to be back. But if you can't get there, you can look at the live stream, which we're doing throughout the week on MTD. Yep. But just to reiterate, when is it, James?
It's 4th to the 8th of April.
And where is it?
At the NEC in Birmingham.
And get yourself registered.
MACHexhibition.com.
Nice and simple, James. Thank you very much. Great to see you. And we're looking forward to seeing you all at MACH 2022.